We produced a great video to show you what happens when you book your vehicle in for a window tint and show all the steps involved in tinting a vehicle. You can watch it by clicking a link somewhere on this page or below. Here are the main steps. After cleaning the outside of the windows, an oversized sheet of tint is placed under the outside of the window and the excess film is trimmed off. The film is then shrunk with heat to conform to the shape of the window. The film is then cut to an exact size to fit the glass. Once the inside of the glass has been thoroughly cleaned, the film is installed using a water-based slip solution, and once in the correct position, the water is removed using various squeegees. Heat is applied to the glass and or the tint to remove as much water as possible. The tint installation is quality checked and any blemishes corrected as necessary. The vehicle is then prepared for hand back to the owner.